Did you know that Alaska is the largest state in the US, yet it remains one of the least populated? What is it about this majestic land that keeps people away? Let's uncover the shocking truths about why people won't move to Alaska. Reason 1. Harsh weather conditions. Alaska is known for its extreme temperatures with long, dark winters and frigid cold. Living in such conditions requires resilience and adaptability, which is not for everyone. Reason 2. Geographical isolation. Alaska's remote location poses challenges in terms of accessibility. Some areas are only reachable by boat or small aircraft, making transportation and everyday activities more complicated. Reason 3. Lack of infrastructure. While Alaska offers breathtaking nature, certain regions lack basic amenities like electricity, water supply, and internet connectivity. For those accustomed to urban comforts, this can be a major deterrent. Reason 4. High cost of living. Surprisingly, the cost of living in Alaska is significantly higher than in most states. It's no secret that groceries, housing, and transportation can be considerably more expensive, making it financially challenging for many. Reason 5. Wildlife and safety concerns. Alaska boasts incredible wildlife, but interactions with bears, moose, and other animals can be a safety risk. This is something potential residents need to factor in when considering a move to Alaska. Despite these challenges, Alaska remains a dreamland for adventurers, nature enthusiasts, and those seeking solitude. Its untouched beauty and unique lifestyle allure a brave few who dare to call it home. Thanks for watching our video on the hidden reasons why Alaska remains a dreamland. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content.